In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Stripe checkout button to any landing page. So for this video, I'm going to assume you already have a Stripe account set up and you've created at least one product inside Stripe. So in this case, I have a coaching offer, which I'm going to be using for this video. And what we're going to do is go over and search for payment links. Click on payment links, and then we're going to add a new link. Then over in the product field, we're going to select the product which we created. In this case, it's the coaching offer. And then we're going to click create link. Then once your link is created, go ahead and click buy button. And over here on the right, you have the option to style it how you like. So you can choose between a card or just a regular button. I like the card because it adds a bit more context, but you can choose whichever works for you. And you can also check change styling options if you want to be more specific about how it should look. Then when you're done, click save changes and copy code. And now we're going to hop into our landing page builder. So here I'm using Embed and I can see all my landing pages right here. I'm going to go ahead and edit one of those pages. And so this is a page which is meant to advertise a call. I'm going to change it so that it's actually advertising the coaching offer now. So what I'll do is I'll delete this Calendly element here, and I'm going to drag in a code embed element. So any landing page builder should have some kind of code embed. Basically, I'm just going to drag it in to where the meeting link used to be, and I'm going to click edit code. Then I'm going to paste in the code which we copied from our Stripe dashboard. Okay, I pasted it in, and I'm just going to change the copy a little here. Instead of book your free call, it's going to be grab a coaching spot. And then over here, I'm just going to change the text to say, and coaching package. Then we're going to publish the page and check out the live version. All right, so here's the page. We now have the Stripe buy button. If I click this, it's going to take me to the Stripe checkout. So this gives you the opportunity to give your clients a feeling like they're making the right decision by adding copy which supports the decision to buy. Now in this case, there's actually a style difference between the background here. So what I can do if I want to change this is go back over here and click my buy button again. And down at the bottom, we're going to change the background color to match the color on my page. Then save changes and copy code. And back in Embed, I'm just going to click edit code again, and I'm going to replace that code with a new code. And when we publish it, the background should match. And there it is. If you're looking for an easy to use drag and drop landing page builder built specifically for coaches, check out Embed. There's a link in the description for a 30-day free trial. There's no credit card required to sign up. Aside from that, thanks for watching. Keep killing it and have a wonderful day.